How to set up an account on Aichat. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to set up an account on Aichat. So for that case, you have to download the Aichat mobile application from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. So now go ahead and open up your respective Play Store. On the search box, type in Aichat and you can see a list of applications. You can go ahead and tap on the first one that says Aichat Personal AI Assistant. Then go ahead and install the following app. So you have to wait patiently until the app is completely installed. Once it is completely installed, you need to go ahead and click the open button. Now you can go ahead and create an account. So once it is completely downloaded or installed, now you can go ahead and create an account. So go ahead and tap the continue button, select what you actually want to go with and click the continue button. Now you need to go ahead and tap the continue button in order to get a premium account. So you have to enter in your debit card information, and if you don't want to do this, then just tap the plus cross icon from the top right hand side, and then you can just go ahead and begin your Explorer. So that's how you can create or set up an account on Aichat. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.